part in Alton. Just saw an Ivet tank over there. We're in the middle section, which is 450 122. And older shot. Refurbished unit.
Good morning, this is speaking up for the 1044 to London Waterloo. Calling at Bentley, Farnham, Aldershot, Ashfield, Woodford, Woking, West Byfleet, Silverton, Clacton Junction and London Waterloo. Slightly to London this morning is around 11:50. Several short platforms on this service. The first station Bentley is front 6 coaches. If you're travelling to Ashfield, it's front 8 coaches. If you're leaving the train at Clacton Junction, it's front 9 coaches. If you need any help and assistance, you can contact the guard in coach 5 or 7 child on the platform at each station. Once again, the first station being Bentley, short platform, front 6 coaches.
Sounds like this train was stopping at Esher. I don't know. Probably misheard. Yeah. This might be my final chance to ride on the Desiros. My favourite train, Class 450. I don't know. But I think the Class 701s are going to be on this line. A lot of vegetation. So empty the trains are during this virus. Okay, Hollyborn tanks. I've heard that the tankers are still there, sitting there derelict, according to Wikipedia. Nope, I think they've moved. Yep, they're not there now. That's going to be a massive building soon coming up here. We'll hopefully do something between Farnham and Aldershot, or Aldershot and Farnham, or Farnham and Bentley. No voice, just the ride. It's a bit bumpy, but at least it's not that Slavic train with hard pass. That will be for the pacers coming down if they can. Like for example, if the Walker Sun gets a hold of these. Oh no. I think the 450s are staying. My very old good train. Fun fact, the Desiros run in Thailand. Okay, approaching Bentley, which I'll end the video. I'll sit down, enjoy the ride. Probably connect up the old Longwell Military Railway, which is along here. You can see me over there. I'm currently wearing a mask. Try and do some bus spotting. But yeah. I've seen no advertisements of the 701, so I think they're on the Ascot shuttle, which is fine by me. So I still have these little girl things running on. We're in the middle section, which is 450 122. See how bumpy the branch is. I zoom. Here's the Longmoor, I think it is, the Longmoor Military Railway. Beautiful Bentley. Sorry about my phone case. Gonna sit out the window. Opposite seat to my mum. Just gonna watch the trains stopping at this short platform, which is Bentley. And the next station will be Farnham. And we have stopped. Just outside Bentley. These the first 6 coaches. Over there. All we're waiting there is a red signal.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Calling at Bentley, Farnham, Aldershot, Ashvale, Brookwood, Woking, West Byfleet, Surbiton, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo.
We're moving. Surprised he's still got Cecilia, I think, doing the announcements on board. And it's Anne and Roger
The next station is Bentley.
on the other, like, outside on the stations. But I think there's something in front of us because the train that I originally was meant to go on, was cancelled. I also need a new phone case because this phone case is driving me round the pole. I bet the viewers are also getting angry with this, and I have more temper. And the train is wobbly. It's really sweaty under my mask. Okay, coming in. And okay, I think we've disconnected from the other track. There should be another train in.
The next station is Bentley. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
I was driving this route this morning on Train Simulator 450099. It was an SWR livery. It's a reskin. Sorry. And I wouldn't be surprised if the plastic stupid things are testing on this line. Okay. We've stopped at Bentley. And over the into the doors. We'll come off and upload this so we can get some space. And bye.